Hi, and welcome to the Flawless Contour tutorial. This modern version of an ancient beauty practice is one of the finest contouring and facial massage tools available today. And I'll be showing you how to use your rolling facial massager and cooling eye press for best results. So, let's get rolling. First, let's look at the Flawless Contour Kit. The kit comes with the rolling massage head already assembled onto the handle, and a separate under eye press. Both contour massage heads are made of authentic, natural rose quartz, mined in South Africa. Quick note, rose quartz has been used in beauty ceremonies for centuries because it feels cooler than the other stones, including jade. And a cooling massage can help reduce puffiness under the eyes and in the face. Now, let's talk about the contour handle. This is fabulous. It's a beautiful blush color and it's very comfortable in your hand. At the bottom of the handle, you'll see the discreet battery cap. To remove the cap, gently twist it clockwise. When the cap is off, the battery compartment is revealed. Take the AA battery that comes with your kit and insert it into the compartment. Note, you want the battery's positive pole facing the open bottom of the unit. Slide the battery in, line up the cap notches, and it should click right into place. Now your contour handle is ready to send its controlled vibrating technology to your face and neck. Only Flawless Contour offers a vibrating massage handle with two unique massage heads, a rolling head and under eye press. This is designed to help stimulate circulation and collagen production in the face and to reduce puffiness under the eyes. Now, let's learn how to change the rolling massage head to the under eye press. To remove the rolling massage head, gently turn it in counterclockwise and lift the head off. To add the under eye press, line up the notches on the head and the handle. Gently turn it clockwise, and the head should secure onto the handle. Quick tip, if you want to maximize the cooling effect, keep your under eye press in the refrigerator. While the stone naturally cools, refrigeration further enhances the stone's capability to reduce puffiness, and it won't damage the stone. For vibration, you'll find the on and off button on the handle, up near the massage head. And that's it! That's the complete Flawless Contour Kit. Now, let's talk about how to get the best results from Flawless Contour. First, there's no right or wrong time for a facial massage. This beauty ceremony can be done at night before bed or in the morning before putting on your makeup and doing your hair. There is, however, an observed benefit to adding this to your bedtime beauty regimen. For example, after applying your anti-aging creams and serums, a massage really helps creams and serums penetrate deeper into the skin. Of course, everyone's different, but some women reported seeing an improvement in the performance of their creams and serums by reducing the appearance of fine lines in as few as 8 weeks. And many women find that the practice at night is so relaxing that they sleep great. Whether you choose a night or morning regimen, here's how to get the most out of your massage. For facial massage, use the rolling head. You'll be working your way up from the neck to the forehead, from the center, upward, and outward, like this. Now, turn on the vibration. Place the roller head against your skin, beginning at the base of your neck. Roll the head upward towards the jawline. I'm going to work on the right side first, and then I'll repeat this process on my left. Move the roller in long, gentle, rhythmic strokes, like this. Pass over the same spot at least 3 times. Be sure you always lift the roller off your skin and begin the stroke again, upward and outward. You don't want to roll the massager down the face as it can pull the skin down. Always move up and out. When moving to the face, chin, cheeks, and forehead, you want to start at the center and then roll upward and outward towards the hairline. After completing your right side, repeat the process on your left. You can repeat the rolling massage as often as you'd like, but doing this for at least 10 minutes once a day can help improve skin elasticity and stimulate circulation and collagen. Now, let's demonstrate how to reduce puffiness under the eye with the under eye press. While we change the head, here's a quick tip. Never pull the skin surrounding your eye. This is the most sensitive skin on the face, and it can be damaged by pulling. So, with the under eye press ready, we'll be moving from the nose towards the temple on the lower eyelid. Let the cool eye press and vibration work to reduce fluid and puffiness for a few seconds. Lift the press off the eye and go to the next spot under the eye and then lay the press down. Repeat the process until your entire under eye has been covered. Move to the other eye and then repeat the process as well. And that's it. Your facial massage is complete. Turn off your massager. Now, on to cleaning and storing. After every massage, especially those where anti-aging serums and creams are being rolled or pressed onto your skin, you'll need to clean the stones. Remove the heads from the handle, and then thoroughly wipe down each stone with a damp cloth. Never run the stone or the units under running water. Once cleaned, store in a dry, safe place. So there you have it, flawless contour made simple. Thanks for watching, and come back and view this tutorial as often as you need. Remember, you're flawless. Go on, get rolling.